Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe, and today I'm going to do a makeup look for y'all. But you know what? It's funny because I said that I'm going to do a makeup look, but what makeup do I have in front of me apart from brushes? I actually don't really have a plan of action here. I'm kind of just winging it. I know the last couple looks that I've done have been quite natural neutral, so I'm going to try and do something that's a bit more out there. But before we get into it and before we start this video, please ensure to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and let's get into it. So the palette I decided to pick up today is the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Honestly, I haven't really seen other palettes go out, but then again, that might just be the case. It might just be because I have been on social media, I just haven't been paying attention to, I guess, like makeup launches and stuff like that, just because, honestly, I don't know, I have no excuse. There is no excuse, I just haven't. So I'm going to start off with the Makeup Revolution Clear, Conceal and Define concealer. I'm putting it on my eyelids and we are just going to sponge that out. Update of my life. I bought myself a microphone, a karaoke microphone. Why? Because I like it. Whenever I show anyone, they're like, but why did you get it? And I'm like, because I like it. When I say, when some people ask me, I'm talking about my family, okay? They're just out here and they're like, well, why'd you buy it? I like it. I like it. What I'm going to do is I'm taking Supreme, which is a pink, and we are going to, actually, I'm going to pat that all over my eyelid. So it's kind of like my transition color, but not really, but yes. It is at the same time. And then what I'm going to do is I'm taking the P. Louise foundation base. We're going to create like a winged out shape as well. Here. Don't mind my mouth. Now I'm taking another brush and I'm taking Ginger. Yes. It's not the color that I'm going for, like, in all honesty, but I need like a nude in between this shade. Looking a little bit ugly, I can't even lie, you know what I'm saying? Oh no. I don't know how much I'm loving this brown streak in the middle because it's really not giving what it's supposed to give. What it's basically supposed to give is like this, like some sort of separation in between like the eye shadow and also the, like, to make it look like basically there's a line in between that isn't being shown, but it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So I feel like we might need to figure this one out together. And then I'm going in again with Supreme, just patting it on. Can't even lie, this color is wonderful. It's such a buildable color. Like, what? Just out here building a house upon my eye. Saying, look at this property. Yes, right now it's not looking like much. I cannot lie to you, like, it is not looking like much. And then for the end, is we're taking Wiggalese. It's kind of like a red. It's a reddy pink. I'm done with most of my eyes, so all good. I did the cut crease on this side as well. The crease, and then also it's like there's a line in between, so it's like a cut crease, which is the look I was aiming for, and it's pink and red and it's gorgeous and it's very, very sharp. So ticking all three boxes. And now essentially what I'm going to do is put on the finishing touches for the eyes. So I'm going to add on my lashes. I'm going to put on my eyeshadow, my eyeliner. So what I'm putting on, so I'm putting white liner on the bottom lash line, and it's going to be accompanied by a little bit of pink. This is from the NYX NYX Off Tropic Pro Liner, so it's called Happy Hour. And then we're going to go in with lips. So like I told you before, like, most of my face has been done. The only thing that would be out, the only thing like remaining would be like my highlighter, but you guys know it's Morphe times Bretmanrock probably going to be like a Chihu kind of situation or Shady Bitch kind of situation, or that pink shade that I really, really like as well. So, and then I'll show you my lip combo, because I'm not really sure what we're doing with lips, but I'm going to try and make it interesting. Okay, so first and foremost, lashes. So I'm just going to apply the glue to the lashes now and try and clean up my actual space, because my space is an actual dumpster. It's trash. And I can't find my glue. So I will need the glue in order to, like, you know, get my lashes onto my eyes. But I don't know why. Oh, there we are. Found it. So for lashes, we're going to use unicorn lashes in Stormi. So I'm using a lot of these lashes, well, unicorn lashes, just because they're really, really nice. And also you can get a lot of wear out of them as well. And I don't know, I feel like Stormi is the perfect, I guess, in between from natural to like dramatic. I don't love like crazy dramatic eyelashes, but like I never say never, you know what I mean? Like I could like end up loving them like within the next like style phase of my life. So who knows? Like right now, this is just a preference. I don't know why my voice is sounding like I don't know. Anyways, so whilst we're waiting for the lashes to load, oh my gosh, why is it foggy? Or is that just me? I think it's foggy. Well, it might be raining. The outside is getting really foggy. It's really weird and it's getting really scary. But anyways, I'm going to take this and I'm going to run it along my lash line. As you can see, like the white liner is quite like boom in your face kind of situation. So I'm going to try and neutral it out with this. I'm only going to add this to the ends though. This is not the right shade of pink. Hee hee. Hee hee. So as you can see, like the red, it is very, very subtle on my eye. And it only comes out at the end. So what I wanted to do was I really wanted to bring that more forward and more to life. So to do that, I'm taking the MAC lip pencil in Bittersweet, which is down as hell, like it's like blunt as hell. So we're taking Bittersweet and we're going around the lips. Excuse my lips as well. They've just been crusty all day and I haven't done a single thing about it. Like, I didn't try to make them look more presentable. They're absolutely crusty to the bone. And I apologize, but at the same time, it beats like that, you know? Okay, and then I'm taking this lip pencil from Maybelline. It's called Sensational Shaping Lip Liner Divine Wine. Divine Wine. Hello. And I'm putting that inside. Yeah. So what we want from here, I guess because they're both quite matte in terms of like their lip thingies, you know, so they're both quite matte. Honestly, I wanted to make it a gloss, but I quite like how matte it is, so we're going to keep it as a gloss, as a matte. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? And boom. Hola! Alright guys, so this is the end of my video and this is a finished look. So want to tell you, I love this look. I think it's super cute. I think the effort gave what it was supposed to give, okay? It was fantastic. So if you're at this point and you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And what else? I catch you in the next one. I don't know. I want to say more to you because I really like this look. Also, I really did my hair, y'all. I did my hair yesterday night and part of this morning, and it came out really, really well, and I love it so much. I love it so much. So thank you guys for this, and I'm thanking you guys for my hair, thanking me for my hair, because I really did that. And I will catch you all in the next one. Bye. I'm so far away from the camera, it's embarrassing.